Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this flickering issue in OBS. For example, if you are trying to record, right, or your Nintendo Switch or your mobile, if the screen is flickering, right, because of light, this is called light flickering. Okay, I am trying to record this video my DSLR cam in OBS, but I'm getting this light flickering issue. So how to fix that? So that's what I'm going to explain. So on your cam, right, I'm capturing from iPhone, but in DSLR cam it's flickering, but not in iPhone. But anyway, you can resolve it easily. So what you need to do is on your camera settings, right, whatever the camera you might be using, so you need to go to the settings. So I'm going to tap this menu. So you need to come to settings. Okay, you need to come to settings here, navigate until NTSC PAL selector. Okay, so I'm going to choose that. Right now it is in PAL selector, so I'm going to press OK. So I need to change it to NTSC to record to the media used in PAL. Okay, so right now my settings in PAL, so you need to use NTSC. So I'm going to change that. Reboots after the change is made. So I'm going to press enter. So it's now rebooting. So now running on NTSC. So giving OK. So now it's not flickering. See, it's not flickering. Also, I'm going to show in OBS. So I need to adjust the zoom type. So here it's a zoom. I need to restart my OBS because I have changed the settings, right? Super cool. Now the flickering issue is resolved. So there is no light flickering issue on OBS. Okay. So this is the way you can fix it in OBS cam. So one more thing I want to explain. So to fix that, right, you need to tap this menu. You need to search NTSC PAL selector under settings. So now mine is in NTSC, it should be in NTSC, not PAL. So I'm cancelling. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide your comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.